In this video, I'm going to be sharing the importance of believing in yourself. Now, when it comes to believing in ourselves, it is very important for us to believe in ourselves, and it's very important for us to have a good self-image about ourselves, because the way we see ourselves is the way we show up in the world and the way other people treat us. When we believe in ourselves, it has a major impact on the level of confidence we have. So our belief about ourselves and our level of confidence is related to each other. So when we believe in ourselves and when we know that we are good and we can accomplish anything and we can achieve anything that we want, we are very confident in our own power and we are in alignment. So it is very important for us to believe in ourselves, because we will then be more confident and then achieve whatever we want in our life. When we believe in ourselves, we have a positive and a healthy mindset. So it's almost like when we have a positive and healthy mindset, we can attract anything that we want in our life and we can be successful at it. And also, we believe that we deserve good things. When we have a positive and healthy mindset, we can accomplish anything. So it's almost like we are constantly inspired and we inspire ourselves, and even if we feel low at times, we know how to snap out of it and look at life in a positive way. Our way of looking at life changes and our beliefs change. We feel happier in the moment. We are inspired to do whatever we want. And when we are inspired to doing whatever we want and we believe that we can do whatever we want and accomplish anything that we want, we get closer and closer to success. And it also helps us in being persistent and in continuing our journey regardless of what obstacles come. We keep going on and on without stopping, because we know that we can accomplish it. We know that we have a dream and we can achieve anything that we want. When we believe in ourselves, we are very powerful and we are persistent, and it's almost like we have this high level of self-love and self-acceptance, which allows us to be in the flow state, and it helps us to be calm and be happier with our life. When we believe in ourselves, we have more willpower and we are willing to do whatever it takes to go ahead. We are strong in ourselves, we are in alignment, and we understand that at some point we may fail and things may not go as per plan, but we have this trust and we trust the universe that okay, everything will work out in the end. It may not seem so, but it will. And we have this level of belief and trust in ourselves, in the divine, and this helps us to keep going. So when we believe in ourselves, we keep going and we do not stop for anything. We are so strong in ourselves that we realize that we can accomplish anything and we can do whatever we wish to do in our life. We do not allow anything to stop us from achieving what we want. We do not allow anybody to stop us from achieving what we want. We go our way and we go our path, and we decide that okay, we are going to keep going. No one is going to stop us and nothing can stop us from doing what we want to do. It is very important for us to have this self-belief, because other people may try to stop us, or there can be certain things that stop us from achieving our goals. But if we believe in ourselves and we know that okay, I can accomplish and I can do whatever I want, nothing can stop that. When we believe in ourselves, we realize that I gotta keep going regardless of what happens. We keep going and achieving what we want every single day. We try our best and this will help us succeed. So all I'm saying through this video is that believing in ourselves is really important, and believing that we can accomplish anything regardless of our current situation will change our life. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do like, share and subscribe so that everyone can get the maximum benefit out of it. And until next time, peace, much love.